Hey guys, it's Tiff, and this is a different kind of video. And today what I have is I got these a few days ago when I was sick, and I did not open them because I wanted to do a video. Look at all the paint on my hands, heavens to Betsy. And so I wanted to do a video of me actually unveiling these. So what is this, Tiffany? This is a earring of the month club from Sarah Shoot Mixed Media. Okay, so I'm gonna leave all of her stuff, description, email, if you don't have Instagram and you want to get in on this marvelous club. Okay, so it's a pair of earrings that we get every month. Now, the cool thing about this is it's a 4-month program, okay? So this is the very first month. If you go ahead and email her or you message her on Instagram, you can take advantage of getting in on this month as well because it's the beginning of March. So, how it works is she sends you an email and then you tell her kind of the color combos that you want. So you know it'll be something that you would like based on the color combo. What you don't know is what the earrings are going to look like. So this month, in March, I think all of them were unmatched pairs, so mix match pairs. Oh my Lord. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. How freaking amazing is this? Okay, so here it is right here. Sarah Shoot. That's her Etsy. That's her email is sarahshoot@gmail.com. Oh my gosh. And she also allows you to choose if you want the long dangles. And I wanted the long dangles. So you get to choose the length and you also get to choose the color. Now the colors that I told her were, I'm trying to think of how it was worded in the email. Let me check real quick why y'all admire that. I think in the email it said like, you get to pick 2 colors and then she asks you, an accent color. Is that the word she used? Oh, hold on. I'm coming. All right. 2 main colors and 1 accent color. And then you choose long or short ear wires. So I chose pink and teal. And then black or mustard is the colors that I put on mine. And y'all know that I'm a huge fan of black and white. So look at this. Oh, man, I just can't get over her work. If you have ever met me in person, or if you have ever taken a workshop with me, or you've seen pictures on Instagram when I do the random selfie, 90% of the time will have on Sarah's earrings. They're just funky and fresh and different, and well, you know I'm about that life. So I had to pop on and let you guys see these. And she used recycled products, which is amazing. And I just can't tell y'all. So it's recycled metal that she uses. And these are so splendid. I love that mustard yellow with the pink and the, oh Lord, this is just making my day. And she also, in her Etsy, she sells little bits. So I bought like little packages of her tidbits that she calls them. And the tidbits are just like these random pieces that you can piece and part into. So if I wanted to change this black and white dot and I wanted to use some of my other random ones, because I have about, I don't know how many pairs of Sarah earrings I have. A lot. I'm a super fan. So do not miss out on this opportunity. You get a very large break in the price. I'm going to zoom in real close so you can see them. So you get an extra break in the price of the earrings because it's a 4-month process and a 4-month program. So every month I will get a new pair of earrings that I get to choose the color with. I love the fact that she lets you have some type of input in the colors, because you would, you know, if you never wore pink or teal, you may not want that. I personally don't necessarily care if my earrings match my outfit. If I like it, I like it. And well, if y'all have ever met me, you know that is so. So excuse all the paint on my hands, but I just definitely wanted to let you know about Sarah's Earring of the Month Club. Reach out to her and get in, because I don't know, this is her first month. I don't know how long it's going to be available, and you don't want to miss out. So until next time, guys, toodaloo.